In this video, I'm going to show you how to get perfect username for your account or just find a nice username idea. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your browser and then type in the search bar that request TikTok name generator and then select the second search result to get on that site coolgenerator.com. Here you can switch your gender. I will select that one, and then here let's type some idea. I will write how to and tap on generate button, and then scroll down for a bit, and here are a bunch of ideas containing my keyword how to, and that's quite easy way to find nice idea for your username. I like dude how to, for example, and then I can go to TikTok and check if this username is already taken. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.